In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll walk through adding a chatbot using GoDaddy's built-in HTML embed, so you can offer instant help, capture leads, or answer FAQs right on your site. Before we start, have your chatbot's embed code ready from your provider. It's usually a short script snippet. Avoid pasting any private keys or passwords. Most chat widgets use a public ID that's safe to embed. Begin by signing into your GoDaddy account and opening your site in the website's Flawless Marketing Editor. From your dashboard, choose Edit Website to load the visual builder. This puts you in the live layout where you can add or adjust sections. Next, decide where you'd like to place the new section. Even if your chatbot appears as a floating bubble in a corner, GoDaddy still needs a section to hold the code. Hover between existing sections until you see the plus icon, then click it to add a new section to the page. In the panel that opens, select the Files and Web category. This area includes tools for connecting external services and custom code. Choose the HTML option so we can embed the chatbot snippet. Now pick Embed Custom Code on the page. GoDaddy will add an HTML block to your layout and show a code field. This block is where your chatbot script will live. Give the section a clear title, such as Chatbot or Support Widget, so you can find it easily later. If you don't want a visible heading on your published page, look for the option to hide or toggle off the title. That keeps your layout clean while still keeping the section organized in the editor. Paste your chatbot code into the provided field exactly as it was given to you, no extra tags or edits needed. Many chat providers load a floating bubble automatically, so the section itself won't display visible content. That's normal. If your provider specifies a particular placement or loading behavior, follow their guidance and make sure you're not altering the script attributes. Click Done to save the section. Use the Preview option to test how the chatbot behaves on desktop and mobile. Some widgets won't appear in the editor, but will show up in Preview or on the live site, so previewing is important. If you see extra spacing from the HTML section, reduce the section's height or spacing settings to keep the page tidy. When everything looks good, publish your changes. If the chatbot doesn't load, double-check the code for stray characters, confirm your domain is allowed in the chatbot's settings, and clear your browser cache before retesting.